Welcome back students. In my today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to resize and group the drawing objects. So in my last tutorial when I was teaching about the drawing toolbar, so this topic was left. So how to resize that you all know. Suppose I'm taking some random shape. So when I click it, you know very well, I have to take my mouse pointer towards any one of the boxes and drag it so it can be resized. The same way I can make it small also, and from here I can, where you could see that green shape here, you could see here I can change its position also. So I hope this is clear. I'll be taking like this one or two shapes more, one more, and ellipse. Like three shapes I have taken. Let's select the arrow just to deselect. Okay. So you know very well, whenever I am selecting any object, it's covered with green boxes. That means it shows that particular object is been selected. So now to group this, before grouping, one thing more I want to tell you. You know very well, when I'll go to the properties, this is the properties, and this I've told you that I can use any color to fill it. Then hatching, if you see the hatching, you see that these lines comes, and here also plenty of designs are there. You can select any like this, rest you can try yourself. And then the last one, bitmap, here also plenty of options are there. Here if I'll select this daisy, you could see here nice texture is there. Okay, so rest you can try yourself. So now I want to group it. How can I group it? Just select one object, drawing object, then you press the shift bar key. Okay, I have to press the shift bar key and I have not to leave it. Then with mouse button I have to left click on this object. You could see here the boxes have increased. Now the third one, and then right click, this pop-up menu will come, and then group, and you can like this, you can group it now. Now if I click it, all three objects are moving at the same time. So I hope you have learned how to group the objects. Now the same things we can use in wrap feature also. Wrap feature, I think you will remember when I was using the image. The image can be wrapped inside the written text. So here also I can do the same. If I'll write something, suppose I love my teachers and my school, and just to save the time, if I'll copy it, Control C and Control V, like this, if I'm doing it again and again, just to save the time. So you could see here this space has been left. Right click, and here you will see the wrap option. No wrap is been selected. Page wrap, if I'll select, wrap through, like this it is, nothing happens, means it is on the top of the text. And then optimal, you could see here it's changing, the text is here. If I'll go that side, the text will go that side. Okay, if I make it smaller, then the same with the text will come in front. Now just see the text is coming in between also. So I hope that this tutorial has been clear to you how can you group and ungroup. Ungroup is same, right click, group, ungroup. Now all three objects are different. So as I told, this tutorial will be a small one, so I'll stop my tutorial here only. Just practice this. Until then, bye.